Every breastfeeding journey is unique. Every mom's strength isn't matched, and every drop tells a story of love. I'm Mardan An, your breastfeeding educator and counselor. Welcome, Mama. Your journey is safe here.
Hi mommies! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm just going to share tips for first-time moms. Ito yung tip na talagang makakatulong sa inyo when you are a first-time mom or first-time mong magbe-breastfeed. Dito na ako sa YouTube magpo-post ng mga ganito kasi ang daming impatient sa TikTok. So kung talagang gusto mong malaman ng mga information, dadayuhin mo ako sa YouTube at manunood ka ng vlog ko. Tama ba? Okay, so let's start. So I'm just gonna give you a routine. Suggestion ko lang to as a suggested routine that you can do when you breastfeed. Right? So this is applicable to newborn up to 3 months. After 3 months or come 4 months, medyo nag-iiba na yung sleeping pattern ng baby. Pero kung meron na kayong routine ni baby, it's your discretion if you want to change it and follow this suggestion. Pero kung hindi, okay lang din naman. What works for you, works for you. Let's say your baby is with you already, no? So meron kang nagbe-breastfeed si baby, and these tips or this suggestion of routine is to avoid yung very exhausting breastfeeding experience. Yung kung narinig nyo sa mga ibang mommies na parang, nakakapagod mag-breastfeed kasi mayat maya. So this is the point of this video, is for you to avoid at least yung mayat-mayang breastfeeding. What I teach is to aim na magkaroon ka ng pahinga, si baby magkaroon ng pahinga, at makakuha ng adequate milk volume si baby. I mean, makuha niya talaga yung satisfaction niya on your breastfeeding session. So let's say your baby is breastfeeding, one thing that you may prioritize is to breastfeed from both breasts. No, first, second, either way, what you need to take note is kung saan ka natapos, yun yung una sa susunod na session. Let's say the first breast, then after, on the next feeding session, magsimula ka dun sa nahuli, hindi dun sa nauna. Alright? So, it's not alternately. So, why? Why do we do that? Dun kasi sa nahuli, hindi pa siya very full. Right? So, si baby ay makakakuha siya ng some. No? And then, so, madidede niyo pa yung kabila. Right? I know you're getting me. Dito some, and then, dito, mas makakakuha siya ng marami. So, technically, parehas naka-breastfeed si baby sa breast mo. So, parehas na-clear yung mga ductal networks because parehas nag-release ng breast milk. So, walang clogging ng ducts, parehas siyang nagre-refill at the same interval. Kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng matiwasay na breastfeeding session, you have to be patient with this. First breast, right? Hayaan niyo si baby yung matapos. Right? Paano? Pag-relax na si baby, pag-kusa na siyang bumitaw. Right? Let's say nakatulugan niya. You can remove and put your baby down on your lap or on elevated pillow. Do what you can do first and then wait for your baby to signal again or to cry out for the next breath. Wala tayong minutes na sinasabi kung ilang minutes maghihintay. Let your baby do the job. Let your baby cry out for the next breath because they will do it. After that, second breath. After the second breath, okay, burping position. Okay, burping position until makatulog si baby for 30 minutes, or if meron ka namang elevated at kung tulog na siya, pwede mo nang ibaba. Kahit hindi pa siya kahit di mo pa narinig yung ganon, kahit hindi pa nakarinig, okay lang. Kung 30 minutes na nakalipas, baba mo na basta nasa elevated position. Alright? So, yun yung magandang routine na makasanayan nyo ni baby. This is suggestion lang naman And in between, no, the breast, pwede kayong mag-change ng nappies. Pwedeng in between or before the first breast. No, kapag after second breast kasi, pwede mastorbo yung tulog. But if you can hele-hele naman, then why not? Actually, it will be based on what instinct do you have with that one. Pero the suggested one is both breasts in one feeding session. Uunahin kung ano yung nahuli. Alright? So, yun lang mga mommies. If you have question, please comment down below and I will answer there. Alright? So, I hope may na-share ako sa inyong maganda at magamit nito. Subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye!